The noun na-adjective しあわせ is used when talking about weddings, family, and good events. We also use it for small, everyday things. 幸せ、結婚、家族、いい出来事を話すときによく使います。毎日の小さなことにも使います。A word 幸せ covers an inner feeling like joy and contentment, and also an external condition like luck or blessing. It can be both a state and a quality. 心が満たされている気分や運が良くて恵まれた状態を表します。安心や喜びのニュアンスがあります。The first kanji means good fortune and blessing. You will see it in words like 幸福 and 幸運. It carries a warm, thankful feeling. Think of being lucky and feeling grateful. I am happy now. 今、私は幸せです。今、私は幸せです。I find happiness in small things. 小さなことに幸せを感じます。小さなことに幸せを感じます。I'm very happy when I'm with my family. 家族といるととても幸せだ。家族といるととても幸せだ。When you laugh, I feel happy. あなたが笑うと私は幸せになります。あなたが笑うと私は幸せになります。The most common synonym of the word is 幸福. 幸福 is slightly more formal and abstract, while 幸せ feels more personal and everyday. In many cases, they overlap and both sound natural. The most common antonym of the word is 不幸. It focuses on bad luck, suffering, or an unhappy state, the opposite of the warm and positive 幸せ feeling.